Hey, welcome to our convention.
The trade show here is really great because they have a lot of new products that they're releasing and showing to everybody in the industry.
Equipment is huge here. You know, I mean, you can see equipment for days at this trade show.
Right now, just to show you what it's like on the trade show floor at a PWNA Power Clean event. When I'm upgrading machinery, I know what to budget for, what to look for, and really it's just a lot of networking and talking to different people here at Power Clean on the trade show floor. And then, you know, if you're a contractor like a one-man truck, or if you've got, you know, you and a couple helpers, and you want to know more detail-oriented stuff about the job, then you go upstairs from the trade show floor and you look at all the classes that are going on.
Access to the training and education level that is available to you now, the head start that you get, and the things that you learn. Even being in this industry myself for over 30 years, it is very refreshing to see the amount of information being put out.
Training here is second to none. Safety, compliance, and technical training for people starting their own power washing business, and also for big people who have bigger businesses that are looking to grow and scale their company.
We're adding in more and more business classes every year. Next year, we should have a whole catalog of just business-based classes to help people not just understand how to do the work, but also just how to run their business and keep that part of it going, which a lot of times is one of the things that is overlooked the most.
And once I received their very valuable training and implemented that training, it's vital in helping your business grow and getting the latest technology, the latest information, the latest training.
When people come to us and they say, what's it going to take to become a professional, responsible business owner? And my encouragement to you is join the org, get involved, tap into the resources. I want to encourage you to come out in 2025. We're going to be at Pepper Mill in Reno, Nevada. It's going to be an amazing experience.